All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on that wheel, I don't see any curb rash, just a couple chips here and there. These tires are bald. We've got the rough country E2 lift there. A couple small chips, a little chip there. That looks good. Side mirror's clean. You do have film on that door edge and in the door cups. Typical rock impacts here on that lower section. Little chips and scratches here. The rest of that door looks good. You're gonna see this kind of pepper with rock chips. Some are large. Then you have some cracking right here. Typical gashes. It looks like I had a toolbox here, so you're gonna see that. Little scuffs and scratches and chips. Those tires are all bald. Missing the center cap there, it looks like. That wheel looks good. A couple little scratches there. And then you have little chips and gashes there. Little markings, gashes. You have some damage here. Little scuffs. Just little stuff here and there. Little rock chips in that area. Those tires are bald. Overall, that wheel looks good. A couple markings. Overall, that fender looks good. The wheel looks nice. And the typical rock impacts on the front end. You have some gashes right there. Pretty clean up here on the top side. There's not a lot of rock chips. That is busted, so you have a crack in the headlight. Little impacts. Typical rock chips. I want to check that headlight real quick. That one's good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 107,325 miles on the odometer. Now the steering wheel is crooked here, you can see. So that definitely needs to be straightened out. Really bumpy road here, and the suspension feels really nice. It is pulling to the right, but we're gonna go down a couple different roads because sometimes you'll see a car pull left or right and it's really just the road. When I let it go, it does pull pretty hard to the right. Sounds really good. Shifts nice and smooth. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard. They feel good. So really just the kind of crooked steering wheel, and it pulls to the right, so just the alignment. Other than that, really nice so far. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now you're gonna have a lot of wear in this area from the grab handle. Buttons look good, memory seating. For the most part, that looks nice. Light little scuffs. That's in great condition. Typical scuffs from getting in and out. Looking at that bolster, it's kind of sagging. It is flattened out, but the leather's really soft. I don't see any rips. That looks really good. The rest of that seat's in great condition. Steering wheel's a little shiny on the leather side, but overall looks nice. Buttons look clean. Here on the gauges, 107,325 miles. That looks nice. Upper side of the dash is clean. And all those buttons look really, really good. You would not know this interior had 100,000 miles. It's really nice. Here on that door panel, upper section looks really nice. Some light scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that looks good. Got the all-weather mats. Here on that bolster, a little bit of wear on the edge. The rest of that looks good though. The seat looks nice. Got the sunroof. This side of the console, all of that's clean. All of that looks good. Really nice up here. Here on that door panel, overall in great condition. Got the all-weather mats. Seat back looks good. That looks really good. I don't see really any flaws on the back seat here. Got all your ports. The seats are heated. Here on that panel, all of that looks amazing. You have a dent here and a gash. That bolster looks awesome. These seats almost look brand new. A little crease there, probably from the seat being folded up. Other than that, looks good.